Okay, baby. And now, one more for miss. Mm. Mhm. Now. So I can't wait to see you again. Like I've missed you for real. And now.
The money where you send me, I tell make I come. What is it for?
Please just get out. You can say I'm on call now.
What is the?
I said get out.
Just get out.
What's this now?
Okay, ma.
Hey, baby, jọ̀ọ́ má bínú jàre bọ̀bọ́ tó ń bá mi ṣiṣẹ́ àgbáyé yẹn ni now.
Léyìí tí madam pe àgbáyé yìí àmọ́ kan tó fẹ́ sọ fún un.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Mo yóò fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àwẹ̀ wa continue ni àbò fẹ́ fi full stop sí kò yé wa báyìí.
Àbí.
Ìpínlẹ̀ tí ẹ ti sún èmi. Èyí ká má jẹun lára ká má jẹun lọ́sàn ká má alẹ́ tipátipá ni. Wọ́n fi wá yáwó mi.
Sí. Ṣé rí ibi tá à ń bọ̀wọ̀ lọ rẹ̀? A máa protest o. We be labour too now. A ní security. We get gateman. A ní gardener. A ní cook.
Àmì náà.
Èmi lè driver ni mí. Àbí náà labour?
We are labour.
We gats to protest. Cause a lè máa wò kí nǹkan máa lọ báyìí.
Ó tọ́ ìwò ó support nǹkan tó sọ jàre.
You know what? Kí o gbóyè calm down. A kàn debate náà ni. Àgbáyé ti lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká àgbáyé dé. So let us calm down. Kí o fi dé. Ṣé you get? Kò ní pẹ́ dé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
It's okay.
Àhúwọ̀ spoil. Àgbáyé.
Afa now.
Àgbáyé la.
I don't come back.
Yeah.
If you see the way madam follow me talk,
How?
I just talk to me. I think I be nobody. Curse me. Curse my generation, including you guys. Don't carry phone like this. Hello, Agbaye. I have sent you 20,000 naira. I said, madam, what is the money for? Said, are you stupid? Are you crazy? Don't you see that I'm on call? Are you okay? She cursed me. Cursed my generation, including you guys. Then you walk out from our place.
Àgbáyé. No doubting that money. Owó jẹ wá ní. Exactly. I agree.
You know say madam dey very also. I no want madam problem now. I no like our wahala. You know say madam dey use the money trap also.
You know what? Àgbáyé make you go on ask madam. Maybe that money na for food or something else.
Go where I go.
And na woman she be.
Take your back.
Why you go dey fear me?
Exactly.
You dey fear me.
Yeah, good of you. I love you.
Oya now.
Good Àgbáyé.
So that you can talk to them more. Okay now. What is it again?
The money where you send me.
You this boy. Just get out of my sight. Are you mad? What is the meaning of this? Why is this daft?
What is the money for?
Just get out of my sight before I lose my temper.
Sorry, ma.
Nonsense.
But wait why can't Àgbáyé tell báyìí now? Just for him to ask what the money for. Ó dẹ̀ lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni yàrá lárúbá yẹn.
Rubbish.
Kódà gan mo ti ń tó gbé, mo ti ń dóòsì bíbí.
Me no fit take all this again. I'm a protest o. I no get time for this again.
Àlàyé já gbọ́rọ̀ jàre. Ó dẹ̀ pariwo protest. So o kàwé ni. So o mọ̀ sí ma protest. What's the meaning of NLC?
Nepa national.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa respect ara wa nílé yìí. Ẹ ṣe ń wo mi, I'm a graduate. Ṣé eyín sì?
Mr. Graduate.
Ìmọ̀ tó ń ṣe o. Mo kàwé, so ẹ jẹ́ ká máa respect ara wa nílé. And the meaning of NLC, Nigerian Labour Congress. Yes. So eyín sì. So ẹ jẹ́ ká máa respect ara wa nílé.
Ṣé ilé yóò jà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ni?
Àgbáyé, Afa now.
Good news. And I don't believe what madam do again. You see the way madam bully me again, curse me, including your of you.
Àlàyé mi.
E be like say madam dey follow im husband talk for where she dey o. As I say, madam, with due respect, what is the money for? He said, Àgbáyé, get the fuck out of my face.
No cry. You be strong person now. Why you crying?
But Àgbáyé, you know what? That money, no doubting, na our money for food.
Yes. Shout this thing. You dey do this now.
Make we carry the money go chop.
Yes.
give
Send.
me my own portion.
I go send you na 3
We are do transfer.
Okay.
We dey wait for. You have my own
Get my
balance.
house and
Okay.
Yeah.
pampe.
Yes.
Anything will come after the money.
Na you go for refer now.
Okay.
Na OPay I dey use. Oya.
That's account.
Yeah,
Yes.
same account.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. Love you. Agbaye. See, the money I sent to you that morning, while see pharmacy down the road, you get me my drug. You know how you used to buy it, 10,000 naira. Then you take 1,000 naira as your transport fare. The remaining 9,000 naira, I want it in cash. Withdraw it for me, okay?
From the money where you send me,
The 500,000. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, go and do what I asked you to do, Joe.
Hey, problem, don't